दिल्लीમાં ઉડારે ગુલાલ ગુલાબી રંગ કેસરિયા.
The formula of a sector. Circle. This is the circles, this is. Circle is divided in two parts. Then circle is divided in 6 parts. So any circle can be divided by two methods. Area of sector of angle theta. This angle theta, theta is used to represent any value of angle. This angle theta, if it is 90 degree, then you may have 1/4. If it is 180 degree, then you may have half of the circle. If it is 60 degree, so means how many parts are there? It depends on value of theta. Sector angle is also very important. So sector area, it depends on the theta, na? So it's a ratio. Area of the sector whole divided by area of whole circle, means circle. Area of circle. So this is what? Area of sector, as the theta increases. So this is theta upon this. Theta upon 360. This. Theta upon 360. Means the area of the sector depends on the value of the theta, and the whole circle pi r square 360, means this is the ratio. So area of the sector, this will be pi r square. So area of the sector of angle theta is equal to this, theta upon 360, theta upon pi r square. So this is the formula. In your book it is written, only it is written here, means here you have pi r square. So formula is area of sector theta is equal to pi r square here, and here theta upon 360. So this is the ratio, and this is the formula written in your book. Similarly, length of the arc, this is the length of the arc. So it also just as a ratio, length of the arc of theta, length of arc theta. What is the total length? And it depends on the value of the theta. What is the total length? The total length is 2 pi r. And what is the total angle? This is 360. So as it is theta upon 360, theta upon 60. Here length of the arc, here 2 pi r, whole area square, this much. Okay, so this was the formula. The formula is nothing only but a ratio. Another thing which I would like to tell you, if you take circle, and sector, means if you will divide it, this one, So the sector is, this is triangle and this area will be called segment. So area of the sector, area of sector is equal to area of triangle plus area of segment. This area of triangle actually is an isosceles triangle whose radius, this is the r radius. So I will clear you how the formula is. So area of the triangle plus area of the segment. So this is the, first if you have to find the area of the segment, you will find the area of the sector minus area of the triangle. And the area of the triangle is, triangle is such that, this is R and suppose this is R, and between these two we have an angle. We don't know this one. So how to find area? So it's very simple. If this is R, take this point and the perpendicular draw here perpendicular. So what will be the value of this one, this perpendicular height? So apply the trigonometry here. Trigonometry. For this theta, if you take only this much, it is not divided, it may be any values, depends on the theta. So if you take only this triangle, this is right angle triangle, and for this theta, this is the base, this is the perpendicular, means height. So sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, and sine theta is equal to perpendicular, this P by hypotenuse R, means P is equal to R sine theta, means P is equal to R sine theta. P is the height of the triangle, this R sine theta, and the area of this triangle, okay? Then we will take, this is the base and this as a height. So half of base into height. So area of triangle is equal to half of base is R and height is perpendicular is the height, this. So half base is R and height is R sine theta. R sine theta, half R square sine theta. This half R square sine theta. So area of the triangle. So these three formulas will be used. The area of the sector, length of the arc, and area of this isosceles triangle, half R square sine theta, where R is radius of the triangle, and area of the segment can be found sector minus area of triangle. So we will use only these three formulas. So keep it in your mind. Keep watching. Thank you.